Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we start, I just have to say 4-day-old hair, rocking 4-day-old messy curls. If you guys have not seen my messy curl hair tutorial and what I use to curl my hair, I will post that right here so you guys can check that video out once I'm done. What we're going to be talking about is how to melt your foundation, and you're probably like, why would I want to melt my foundation? So A, you might want to get rid of, if you're a makeup artist, you might want to get rid of some of the spatula marks to make it pretty again. B, maybe you left it out in your vehicle, or when it came in the mail, it came frozen and it has little cracks in it. It can look kind of ugly. Freezing it doesn't affect the consistency of your foundation, but if you get condensation trapped in the package, then that can kind of make your foundation more liquidy than normal. So I'm also going to show you how to bring that back to its normal state. And then also I'm going to show you guys how to use up every single bit of your foundation when the pan is completely dry but you can't get that little bit around the outside of the edge of your pan. I'm going to show you how to melt it so you can use up every little bit of your foundation. So if you guys are interested in seeing my little tips, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to get all the foundation out of the corners when your foundation pan is running low. So you want to make sure that you do use tweezers to grab your foundation because it gets really hot. And then all you want to do is take it and warm it on your flat iron or curling wand. Okay, so I'll show you that again with this second one. It has a little bit more product in it. Okay, and then you just leave them to harden. So that one looks like a brand new foundation. This one has cooled already. And as you can see, once it hardens, it is back to normal. So now you can use that with your blender full or your brush again. Okay, so now if you have a really full foundation, this is what I recommend doing. Get a cookie sheet or baking dish, and I set my oven to 350 and just pop it in there. And then just keep an eye on it. Mine only took a couple minutes. And then when you take it out, it will be completely liquidy, so be very careful. As you can see, it's runny all the way through, so you'll just want to let this sit for a couple minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, so here's the before and here's the after. It looks like a brand new foundation. And this little tip actually works for lipsticks as well. So this is a little Z palette that I use, but you could put it in a LIMELIFE foundation palette too if you're a beauty guide. But this is just a little Z palette. Again, it comes with the empty pan, so you can just, what I do is I cut my lipstick off with a sharp knife on an angle, pop each color into the pan, warm it up on the cookie sheet, and when they're done, these have little marks in it from my spatula, so I could just reheat these and they would look like brand new little swatches. I use this for lipsticks for my clients because this just travels so much better than a whole bunch of tubes of lipstick. This also lets them see right up front. Like, I let them take a look and say like what color kind of jumps out at you for lipstick color you want to wear. So yeah, and like I said, this is a nice way to travel with your lipstick as well, even if like makeup artist regardless. So if you guys enjoyed these little tips, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my channel, as well as click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me in the future. And yeah, I hope you guys will tune in to the next one. See you guys.